In August of 2025, my sons-in-law and I embarked on Idaho's backcountry discovery route. And on this journey, we encountered some mechanical issues that we overcame. We also encountered some of Idaho's most fantastic waterways and had fantastic times. Ate great food. We had a few falls and had some more mechanical issues due to those falls. But most importantly, saw some of the most fantastic, amazing scenery that we've ever seen. So come along and enjoy it.
Motorcycles and Malamutes, please like and subscribe. Woo! All right, we're in Loman, and yeah, we are about ready to start section 3. Oh, we're rolling. Woo! Hell yeah, brother.
That was sick.
That was awesome. Oh, he went deep side. Woohoo! He went deep. Hell yeah! Woo! Oh, not even a problem. He's gonna hit my bike. Dude, oh wow, look at that. There's a hawk and then some herons all flying out together, interestingly. What a beautiful, beautiful trail. Oh my God. Woohoo! Of Idaho. Incredible. All right, we're in Yellow Pine. We got the corner, some delicious brisket. This is the finish of leg 3 of the Idaho BDR. Some good stuff.
Yes, please.
What'd you guys think of the brisket in here?
Delicious. Very delicious.
All right.
The barbecue sauce, delicious.
Right, but the soft serve was phenomenal.
Oh,
so if you're doing the Idaho BDR, come into the corner.
Have to stop in.
Yep, come into the corner. It's a good place. It's the only place. All right, this is camp day. We just finished section 3. Yeah.
Hell yeah, man.
Hell yeah. Oh no! Tragedy caught on film. Where the hell are we? White Pine or Yellow Pine? Yellow Pine. There you go. One store. There's one store / restaurant in the entire city.
There's one building open.
There's one open building, but I highly recommend checking it out. All right. I'll go up until I see Alex. Riding really well lately. Well, very steep. I know you're not going to see that on the camera, but that was incredibly steep. It is real steep, guys. steep. But I'm on the DRZ, baby. This is incredible up here. Definitely worthwhile. I'm glad I went up here. Glad Alex went, and I'm glad I followed. What a crazy fun ride. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think we're gonna reach the summit here, boys. Wow, look at this. Holy smokes. Good riding, by the way.
Thank you.
That got very steep. I was like, damn, Alex is doing good.
That was fun.
Yeah. Hill.
Did you hear me honking?
Oh, dude, you guys got to. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
This is Idaho. Motorcycles and Malamutes, please like and subscribe. Woo! This is amazing, huh? Hey. We're at the bus. We are at the bus on the Idaho BDR. I thought Mad Jack Media put stickers in the glove box, but there's no glove box. Bordering this river, we're on the latter parts of section 4, I think almost a rig anyway, and this river looks beautiful. I want to go swimming in it real bad. You won't know this, but I'm very thirsty and hot and tired, so I would kill to go swimming in this river, but we're trying to get to town to get replenished, so there you go. Status update. Everybody's behind me, by the way. I'm in front. What? All right, end of section 4, and just gonna show you what the boys are cooking.
It's a ribeye with a bourbon.
Oh, wow.
Mountain Man bourbon rub.
Yeah, living the hard life right now. So, brought a skillet on the BDR trip.
Hell yeah.
That's all Levi.
Yeah. It's
Well,
already getting, the enamel's getting rubbed off because of my poor packing skills.
It's working though, that's all that matters.
Learning something every time.
Well done, boys.
Thank you.
Well done. And this is our camp spot. It's pretty flat and wide open, but it's kind of cool. It's a different look today than what we've been having. The mountains of Idaho. All right, you won't be able to see this, but it is pouring down rain pretty good, or it's coming down a little bit. So note to anybody about ready to do the Idaho BDR, bring your rain gear because it's probably going to rain on you. Look at these guys all outfitted out. Say something for the camera. Exciting.
It's wet. It's sweaty.
Wet and sweaty.
Yeah. There's not any breathability.
No, sir. Warm and wet. Woo! All right, so we are still on section 4. It's been muddy and rainy.
Yep.
I'll try to get you some footage of that ride, but we are stopping at the Florence Cemetery.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, wow. Exhumed graves of Chinese miners. Wow.
Another person out here.
It has been rainy and cold. Lawrence Cemetery.
The rain never let up for this entire day, so we did do some dirt that actually would have been kind of fun. It was pretty muddy and slidey, and that was fun. I didn't get my camera out for that. And then we transitioned over to some regular paved roads. Didn't matter. It was rain the entire time, so we actually decided to take it easy on ourselves and stay in this particular lodge. This is the footage of us that day going into town, but we ended up coming back to the lodge that you see here and staying in a room, having a nice dinner, nice shower. So it was, even though it was a wet, rainy day and we were cold, that was pretty nice staying at the lodge. So highly recommend. Just outside of Elk City. Great fun.
All right, we are at Burnt Knob. Adam and Alex. The biggest bike and the smallest bike. Woo! I'm gonna tell you guys something. The VRZ kind of makes me look like a good rider when I'm not even very good. It's just, it's such a great bike to do this kind of stuff here. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's a challenge. I am proud of Adam. I'm gonna give him some kudos when I get to the top. Caught up to Alex. Woo! We caught up to both of them. That's good. Now we can get some good film. Heading up Burnt Knob here. Yeah, baby. Good times. Am I hearing birds in a second? I don't know. Maybe I have to go down again. I feel like I'm gaining on them too fast. That bike is so good. It's just so good. Yeah, I was in second. Now I'm about ready to lose some momentum because I took it down a gear. This is the smartest thing in the world because I'm in second. I was just kind of cruising up the hill. Alex doing pretty good, looks like. This line here. Who's that line? Oops, that's not a great line. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, fun, fun, fun. And you notice how you can just lug the shit out of the DRZ. Oh, it's just so much fun. I'm having a really good time. This might be the most fun I've had on this trip so far. Yeah, I don't know if I would do the African Twin on this one. I'd be pretty stressed on the African Twin if I'm being honest. I had to try to give Alex some room, but I didn't want to lose my momentum either. Ooh, wow. That was close. Oh no, I lost my momentum. This is fun. Woo. Woohoo! Okay. I gotta give Adam some love when we get done with this. Ooh, shit. I guess Adam's down, so we gotta go help him here, make sure that he's okay. You okay? Whew.
help.
Okay, I'll help you. Alex, you and I can get his bike up real quick.
Yeah, give me just a second.
Because I'm worried about all this fuel. Okay. That side, I'll grab this side, and we'll go. 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Oh, she a big girl. Whoa, holy shit. Whew. Everything looks okay.
Yeah, you're good, man. Just a little bit of fuel. Good shit, everyone.
It's so fun.
That's way harder. Also, Adam, you popped your cherry.
I know. I dropped her.
Oh, but you're basically there. I guess that's that answer. Okay. He didn't need any help. Woo!
Are you recording?
Oh, the whole time, yeah.
Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Oh my god.
How are you guys doing? Oh, this is awesome. Oh, so much fun. The DRZ makes it easy. Woo! Holy smokes, that's beautiful. Fuck yeah. Check this out. Okay, we'll check in when we're in the cabin.
That was just pretty fucking gnarly, dude. Dude, there is carnage on my skid plate.
Oh, yeah, I can see that. Dude, that tore that thing up. Thank God you got it.
Money well spent.
Money well spent. By the way, this KLX 230S,
That was
it will not stop.
gnarly. I rode a house up a 12% incline with boulders the size of my balls
Yes.
in the middle of the way.
Woo! Yeah.
Leaking fuel.
Oh, dude, this was so much. I mean, for me, it was fun. For you, I'm shocked that you made it.
That was hard.
All right, let's go enjoy this cabin.
That was the hardest thing I've ever done on that bike.
For sure.
Yeah, now I'm afraid to go down. Yeah, don't go near the edge.
Holy crap. Oh, wow, look at that. It's beautiful. It's the lake right there. God, I wish I had a sticker. Hey, Motorcycles and Malamutes, like and subscribe, everybody. Oh, there's all the lakes. Look at that. Look at that.